Guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of mute notifications on the application of WhatsApp. You will click on settings. In this page here, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above, as you see, we'll search about the application of WhatsApp. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then you can turn on your airplane mode. And you can wait a moment to turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time, and thank you for your watching and your attention.